Santa Clara rewrote the book on suspension with the Blur. Combining VPP suspension with a strict diet resulted in the Blur XC, Santa Clara's lightest bike ever, with blazing fast acceleration and incredible climbing performance. The Blur is at the top of the heap when it comes to full suspension cross-country bikes. The chassis is one of the stiffest, most flex-resistant frames. More performance, less fuss. The Blur maximizes cross-country performance without sacrificing ride comfort. There's no more luxurious way to suffer. The Blur can plow through big rocks and huge drops with the best of them. The perception that comfort and handling must be sacrificed to maximize efficiency and minimize weight is gone. The Blur is on cutting edge of both performance and technology. A full-on racer, fun enough and strong enough that it might just be that elusive one bike that you ride everywhere. The Santa Clara Blur, in a league of its own.